The world is on the brink of a technological revolution, and AI is leading the charge. Did you know that AI is expected to add a staggering $15 trillion to the world economy by 2030? But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. This growth will come at the cost of jobs as AI continues to automate and replace traditional work. Welcome to the future of work. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 jobs that AI will eradicate. From teachers to graphic designers, you won't believe what's on the list. Will your job make the cut? Watch the video till the end to find out, as this is a video you can't afford to miss. On number 10, we'll talk about graphic artists. The design market as we know it is quickly changing due to artificial intelligence. Many creatives think that this is only the beginning of the end for designers, and that if you are slow to adopt new technologies, you will fall behind. AI-based picture generators like DALL-E 2, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion have made it feasible for anybody to generate distinctive, hyper-realistic images by just entering a few lines into a text box during the last several months. Despite being young, some applications have already become quite popular. For instance, DALL-E 2 has over 1.5 million users who produce over 2 million photos daily, while Midjourney's main Discord server has over 3 million users. These applications use so-called generative AI, which gained popularity a few years ago with the introduction of text-generating software like GPT-3, but has since been extended to include pictures, audio, and video. It's still too soon to say whether or not this new generation of applications will ultimately cost illustrators and artists their career. However, it is apparent that these technologies are already in use in the creative sectors. On number 9, we will discuss the future of copywriters. It seems doubtful that copywriters will ever be replaced by AI. Instead, AI will increase the effectiveness and productivity of human copywriters. This is so because the major goal of copywriting is to convey emotion. Even if AI is excellent at doing repetitive jobs and seeing trends, only humans have the capacity to genuinely comprehend emotions and pain points that influence conversations. A new chatbot called ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, may use artificial intelligence to perform things like generate code, respond to queries, and give extremely precise text. Greg Brockman, president and co-founder of OpenAI, claims that during the first 5 days of operation, 1 million people visited the website. Next on number 8 comes software engineers. While many website designers and software engineers take pleasure in their coding abilities, their careers may be threatened by AI bots that can duplicate basic code. Chinmay Hegde, an associate professor of computer science and electrical engineering at New York University, expressed concern for people who feel these responsibilities. I am concerned about such people. Any sort of individual whose regular job would be creating a website for me is no longer required, since I can simply use ChatGPT to do it for me. A user just has to submit requests and parameters to create a website or app, and an AI like ChatGPT can quickly create a working code sample. By 2026, basic software design tasks may be handled by AI technologies, possibly displacing a large number of software professionals. On number 7 comes Uber drivers. Driverless cars are becoming closer to reality. With technologies now in use, such as self-driving Uber test vehicles and assisted driving in Tesla vehicles, more businesses and services are starting to adopt this technology. Self-driving vehicles have the potential to replace millions of bus drivers, cab drivers, truck drivers, and other transportation workers, which would have a stunning negative impact on employment. Even autonomous tunneling, dozing, drilling, and transporting solutions for mining and construction are being developed by companies like CAT, which might eliminate these kinds of occupations. Tractors and lawnmowers that can drive themselves or with assistance are also available from farming firms like John Deere. On number 6, we will discuss the impact of AI on teachers. Teachers all around the nation are concerned about kids using ChatGPT to cheat on their assignments. But Peng Cheng-shi, an assistant dean in the Department of Computers and Information Sciences at Rochester Institute of Technology, says that they should also be considering their own job security. According to Shi, ChatGPT can easily teach lessons too. Although it includes flaws and knowledge mistakes, he stated this can be readily remedied. Essentially, all that is required is ChatGPT training. He said that ChatGPT would work best in middle or high school settings, as such courses often build on material covered in primary education. Due to the difficulty of the curriculum, a human instructor will probably be needed in high schools. Thoughtfully, ChatGPT might still impart knowledge in any subject. On number 5, we will talk about lawyers. The emergence of artificial intelligence has already had a significant influence on the legal industry, and this trend is only projected to grow in the future years. Artificial intelligence is utilized for a variety of functions, including contract assessment, legal research, and the preparation of legal documents, as organizations try to save costs and improve efficiency. The World Economic Forum predicts that the legal industry would likely be disrupted by AI after the transportation and healthcare industries. The New York Times stated that while AI is doing legal work, it is not yet replacing attorneys 5 years ago. Recent ChatGPT advancements, however, highlight how near we are to a world where this will be the case. Another AI which can be used is e-discovery. It is the act of scanning electronic material to collect non-privileged information pertinent to a case or claim. It is the simplest and most popular kind of AI in law. Lawyers may search documents using search phrases or specified criteria like dates or locations by utilizing e-discovery software. As a consequence, attorneys get replies practically immediately, which is far quicker than scanning paper documents. This additional time enables attorneys to find more pertinent material. On number 4 comes the profession of doctors. Highly skilled professions like medicine and anesthesia are being helped by robots. In certain instances, robots are taking the place of people to carry out routine operations or jobs without a human's help. To assist physicians in making diagnoses and reviewing patient data, IBM's Watson computer is being employed in the medical industry. Even the progress of medical research is being assisted by Watson. Many jobs that do the same activities will be replaced by it as it becomes smarter and quicker. David Dranov and Craig Garthwaite, professors of strategy at Kellogg, have examined the effects of integrating AI into healthcare, focusing on how such software will change the physician's primary function. Dranov claims that for the time being, AI will likely remain on the sidelines as a complement to physicians rather than replacement due to the requirement for human contact in healthcare. However, it's possible that in a few decades, people may feel at ease using computers and may even have faith in them to serve as their primary source of medical advice. He responds, perhaps in the long term, that will alter. Moving forward, on number 3, we will discuss the future of retail sales. The internet has already altered how individuals make purchases. Outbound sales methods are just ineffective nowadays. The sales process is now controlled by your customers rather than your sales representatives. Customers in today's market cherish their freedom. Instead of asking a sales representative for assistance, they do their own internet comparisons of other choices, features, and costs. AI is used by websites like Netflix and Amazon to provide precise suggestions for what we should purchase or watch next. In the end, e-commerce has eliminated the need for salespeople to provide explanations. One of the examples is Amazon Go. The inaugural Amazon Go shop was advertised by Amazon as a new sort of store without checkout necessary, with just 1,800 square feet of shop space. The first Amazon Go in Seattle was essentially a tiny convenience store. This compact structure is reproduced everywhere. You never have to wait in line when you purchase at one of these establishments. You enter the shop, grab what you need, and then simply leave again thanks to the Amazon Go app for iOS or Android. For billing purposes, the app is connected to your Amazon account. Sales agents whose primary duty is information collection are replaced by chatbots. When speaking with leads, your salespeople can only learn so much since they must concentrate on the interaction. Chatbots, however, may learn considerably more information about every user they communicate with since they are integrated with social media. Additionally, AI is significantly less prone to error than people are, ensuring the accuracy of the data obtained. Security and surveillance comes on number 2. Security and surveillance solutions have evolved into a new generation of autonomous security robots. As a result of the growth and introduction of technology in wireless communications, AI, and robotics, the worldwide market for security robots is expected to develop even more considerably over the next 5 years as a result of the progressive adoption of these solutions by many businesses across several sectors. Their uses include asset, property, and individual protection in addition to monitoring and intrusion detection. Additionally, it offers advantages like cost savings and increased staff expertise in security management. As a result, a lot of businesses have started to use autonomous robots to enhance their security and surveillance operations. Lastly, on number 1 comes journalism. Many news organizations and websites already use information collecting software robots and computer-assisted writing tools like ChatGPT. If you read news articles online, the likelihood is that a machine, not a person, created the article. Software will replace more journalist and reporter jobs as it becomes smarter. According to reports, BuzzFeed will deploy artificial intelligence to improve and tailor its online quizzes and content. The business informed staff this week. The CEO, Jonah Peretti, outlined the initiatives in a message to staff members. The quiz experience will be improved, our brainstorming will be informed by AI, and we'll be able to tailor our material for each audience member by 2023, he said. The organization will leverage technologies from the artificial intelligence from OpenAI for its material, according to reports from the Wall Street Journal. The business is also responsible for ChatGPT, a language model chatbot that was well acclaimed for its capacity to mimic human speech and was released in November 2022. Artificial intelligence in journalism has been used before by BuzzFeed. According to reports, the tech website CNET has been utilizing an AI program to create stories that are then checked for correctness by human editors before being published. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads.